How to turn off or on Beauty. Try now permission on Amazon shopping on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open Amazon shopping and then click these three lines here and now click settings and then click permissions. And now scroll down until you find it here, Beauty Try Now you can turn it on or off, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.